Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to your Block of the Month headquarters. In your month one package for the Stordalen Garden, designed by Hugs'N Kisses, you will receive your pattern, the fabrics you need for the first month, and a welcome letter. Now, this program will run for 10 months. It's a very fun, scrappy quilt that I think you're going to have a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of fun going to the mailbox and seeing what kind of fabrics is in this month's package. But your first package, you have a welcome letter. And in this welcome letter are many important details. The first one is a picture of your finished quilt that you could refer to anytime during this program. We have a very active Facebook community. We would very much love you to join our Facebook group where you can post pictures and progress along the way, make some lifetime quilting friends. If you get stuck, we all do, just simply post your question. We'll get right back to you or somebody will answer you, I promise. Under the QR code for the welcome letter, we have the fabric key. So if you have any questions on which fabric goes where, be sure to check the QR code for the fabric key. You'll also want to subscribe to our newsletter. We post a weekly newsletter and talk about happenings at Stitch in Heaven. And you can also see all of the Block of the Months available here at your Block of the Month headquarters. And you can also check out our website where we have everything listed. And we have events, retreats, lots happening here at Stitch in Heaven. Come check us out. Bye-bye.